Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? In this video, we'll solve a JEE Mains 2004 trigonometric integral question. It's a very interesting question. It actually looks difficult, but it's actually very easy if you understand the logic behind it. In this question, we have to integrate sine x divided by sine of x minus alpha. What we'll do is we'll try to adjust this angle x minus alpha in the numerator, and then we can apply the compound angle to simplify it. Let's see how we do that. So in order to adjust that angle in the numerator, what we can do is we can write that x as x minus alpha plus alpha. So you subtract alpha and add alpha and divide by sine of x minus alpha. And obviously we are integrating with respect to x. Remember, alpha is a constant value. Okay. Now what you can see is this angle x minus alpha is exactly present in the numerator here, right? So this is x minus alpha and then this is alpha. What you can do is you can apply the compound angle over here. So treat this angle as A and treat this angle as B and apply sine of A plus B. We know sine of A plus B is sine A cos B, cos A sine B. So you can write this as sine of x minus alpha into cos alpha plus cos of x minus alpha into sine alpha. And we have whole division, and then there is sine of x minus alpha, and we are obviously integrating with respect to x, so let's not forget to write that. Now let's split that denominator sine of x minus alpha in both of these terms, and many things will get cancelled. So here if you give this to the first term, we have sine of x minus alpha cos of alpha divided by sine of x minus alpha plus give that sine of x minus alpha to the second term. We have cos of x minus alpha sine of alpha, and in the division we have sine of x minus alpha, and we have with respect to x. Now what you can do is we can cancel a lot of things. This sine x minus alpha and sine x minus alpha will get cancelled. That cos of x minus alpha divided by sine of x minus alpha will become cot of x minus alpha. And we can also give that integral to both of those terms. So the first term will become cos alpha with respect to x, plus the second term will become, we already have sine alpha, and cos divided by sine will become cot of x minus alpha, and again we have dx. Now remember that integral of cos alpha is not sine alpha because it's a constant value, so it can be taken out of the integral. So here over here cos alpha is a constant value, can be taken out. Sine alpha is a constant value, can be taken out of the integral. So we have cos alpha, and you'll be left with 1. Integral of 1 with respect to x is nothing but x, plus sine alpha will be out, and integral of cot x minus alpha, integral of cot x is nothing but ln of mod of sine of x minus alpha. Okay, remember that in integral we have to divide by coefficient of x after integrating. In this case coefficient of x is 1, so it doesn't matter if you don't divide, we can just write divide by 1. And let's add the constant of integration c, and this is nothing but your final result. Remember here I used the formula for integral of cot. We know that integral of cot x with respect to x is nothing but ln sin x. That's the formula I used over here. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions about this integral or any other integral which you want me to solve in the next video, please don't forget to mention it in the comments. I do read each and every comments that you post. Also, I do post math and calculus content every single day. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you tomorrow.